future, if God allowed me, I will help my family, both my family and Trocare, with many things. Why I want to be a doctor in future? Because from my level, from where I started growing up to at this level of mine, I was not in the good environment, because everything was just dirty, So now I need to be a doctor that I should help the communities, providing now sensitizing people about the health and many things.
Daniel, who we're visiting today, was on the Trochra box in 2012. Here we are 6 years later, and things have changed massively for the better. The killing has stopped, the war is over. You can see around you people have started to plant their land. Food production has increased massively, and the poverty levels we saw in 2007, 2008 are a thing of the past. There is now enough food here, and people are beginning to have lives, at least, that are lives of dignity.
We were running to and fro, no eating up to sunset, living in the grass, sleeping in the grass, no peace at all. If you see anything, you just start to run. When they saw that people started to fear them, they come and just grab things by force, even making you to go with them. If you said you are tired, they said, you want to rest? If you say yes, they kill you and leave you.
After the massacre, people had nothing like hoes, all the farming equipments. But now when Trocare came in, they started giving people support, sensitizing them on how to do the farming and providing them crops to be grown. This has really improved their standard of living. And as I can see right now, most of the people within our village here, actually they are trying with all their level best to see that their children gets learned or their children are sent to school. I feel so proud and very happy, because in future it will be independent. It will not keep on maybe disturbing, give me some money for 80, buy for me food, what it will be independent, and in other words it will start to help other people again, and that will be a very big achievement. To the people of Ireland, I would like to send my maximum appreciation. I'm really so grateful, and I pray that may the good Lord actually bless you abundantly as you continue to support us, and I know God will do wonders for you. Thanks so much.
You what my parents could not do, Trocare did it for me. You what my parents could not do, Trocare do it for me. Trocare doing for me, Trocare is doing. Oh, yeah.